it's Becky, and I wanted to do a real quick catch up with you to let you know what I've been up to and what I've been doing. Um, sort of, instead of creating things, I have been creating a space that I can be more creative in. And so, uh, for a long, long time, like the last couple of years, everything that I've made, like all my paintings, all of my jewelry, all that stuff, it was made on my dining room table. Sure, I'm not the only person out there who like thought, oh, hey, I'm just gonna use this corner of the dining room table, and then it suddenly grew into your craft room, and it's like, that's where everything happened. But that's what happened with me, and so I've had this, and it has been really chaotic. I just have these towering piles of uh, bead boxes and piles of paint palettes and paper and all of the little bits that go with it. And I tried to organize it as much as I could, but it's really hard to keep just a flat surface organized with all these different piles of different things. So I spent some time um, purging and moving and shifting things around in this room so that I could have two little corners that could be my creative space so that I can make things. Because all of my other like creative stuff has been like knitting or something like that, where I can sit down on the couch and knit there, and that's fine. I don't have to have like a desk for that. I don't need to have like a lot of storage, although for the yarn I do need to have a lot of storage, but that's another project for another day. I took down my big wall of yarn storage that I had in order to make some space for this, and I got another spot that's going to be dedicated for yarn storage, but one thing at a time. So this is my new space, and you can see here over the corner, this corner over here and this corner over here that I'm sitting at. This is my desk. But that is a little storage slash workstation hutch thing that I put together. And it's like, you know, you've seen the advertisements, I'm sure, for like the dream box and all of that stuff, where you've got the big cabinet that you open it up and it's got all the doors and all the things are in the doors, and then there's a fold out table and all that. And I'm just like, I don't have enough room to be able to even open a dream box. So something small that takes up a small footprint like that, but that I can put the things that I create with inside of, so that they're not tottering piles of chaos. That's what I needed. So that's what I did. And for this one, I actually had a nightstand that I wasn't using. I put a little $40 bookcase on top of that, and that's my painting area. That's the dark one with the drawers. It's great. I haven't even finished moving everything over, but I've got most of my painting stuff put away. I just need to put my palettes in those drawers and a couple of other things, like maybe some of my what are they called? The things. They're like crayons, but then you can finger paint with them. Oil pastels. Yes. Anyway, I'm gonna stick some of those in the drawer there too, so we've got that. But I've got a lot more room for more stuff if I need to get it. But this other one, that was my real like genius brain moment, where I got a secretary, that's the lower half of it, that has a pull-out desk. I'll get up and show you in a minute. And then I've got a pantry that I've got stuck right on top of it that holds like almost all of my beading things. It's amazing. So let me get you guys over here. Let me see if I can, yep. All right, so I'm gonna pick up my phone and I'm going to show this to you and give you a little mini tour of my new crafting space. It's not a craft room because I don't have enough space for that, but I have some creative space and I'm really excited about it, and I'm really excited to show you guys because I've had this set up for like the last 24 hours and I already have so many new ideas. Okay, so here we are. This is my first crafting corner. This is where I've got a lot of my painting things. I've got my gouaches, some paper, some blocks, some palettes, and this is, let me back up a little bit so you can get a good view of the whole thing. This is my little beading station. I'm just gonna open this up so you can see all of the beading things that I've actually got put away. They're no longer in teetering piles with my bead boxes. You guys know I love these as they're my favorite organizers. I've got space for more seed beads down here, and then I've got little organizers there. Got findings. I've got wires. I have a drawer full of craft wire here. I've got room to put some more stuff in here. Don't have that there yet. And right here, this is the little pull-out desk work area. So I can bring my little chair over here, and it's got really a good amount of space to be able to do some work with for this desk. And then when I want to put this away, I can just roll that back in there. And then under here, there's a really, really decent amount of storage. And look, I've got more of my organizers ready to go. So I can have that. And let me show you the desk that I was sitting at a minute ago. It's over here, and it is right next to the window. I have my laptop up here. This is where I can do my editing on, but I can also pick it up and set it up here on top of here when I need to do my filming. And I've got some things here that are already ready to go, and I've got a whole bunch of things that I want to open up on camera and do some organizing with, because I know you guys love those. And there's a space right here where there's going to be some more shelves, but that's okay because I still have so much room to put things in here. Like there's space under here, empty cabinets, and I have my my ceramic palettes here, and Gansai paints, and I did a little painting earlier in this sketchbook. Not that one, this one. I christened the desk already. There has been work done already in here, but this is one creating corner, and like there's so much wall space I can hang stuff on. I'm really excited about that. So we'll get some painting done, we'll get some jewelry making done, we'll get some of this all done, and I will have my two little corners. And this is actually, this all fits really neatly right here behind this door. Oh, hello. Were you waiting out there for me? Hey, sweet girl. That's Ellen. Anyway, I'm excited for this space. I hope you're excited for me to create in this space too. Thanks for watching. Bye.